Hello kids. Today we will learn 1 to 10 with spelling. So let's get started. 1. O-N-E 1. Repeat after me. 1. O-N-E 1. 2. T-W-O 2. Repeat after me. 2. T-W-O 2. 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. Repeat after me. 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. 4. F-O-U-R 4. Repeat after me. 4. F-O-U-R 4. 5. F-I-V-E 5. Repeat after me. 5. F-I-V-E 5. 6. S-I-X 6. Repeat after me. 6. S-I-X 6. 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. Repeat after me. 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. Repeat after me. 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 9. N-I-N-E 9. Repeat after me. 9. N-I-N-E 9. 10. T-E-N 10. Repeat after me. 10. T-E-N 10. Children, today we have learned 1 to 10 with spelling. So keep learning. Until next video, take care and bye-bye.